In this video, I hope to show you a few things that might easily fix a problem you might have with the faucet not running hot water, which happened to me a couple days ago. At the end of the video, I'll summarize all the steps. First of all, I have a mixer faucet, which means the hot and cold water come in at that handle there and then come out mixed in the faucet spout. So there are two kinds of mixer faucets, one that mixes at the base and the other that mixes at the spout. So the cold water comes in on one little line through the whole handle and assembly, and then the hot water comes in through another one, and then they come out at the end mixed. This is not what I had, but if you do have one of these, then this might help you, where you cover the spout and then slowly turn on the cold water, which supposedly creates back pressure that removes air in the line that might be causing the issue, but this did not work for me. So you cover the spout, you slowly turn on cold water, and then that should fix it. If not, then remove the faucet handle and look and see if there's a clog or something, blockage in the assembly. If the faucet's okay, then it might be in the water line or the faulty valve. That's not a huge project, but kind of a pain in the butt getting underneath there. So I decided to try one other thing, and that was simply to run the dishwasher on the longest and hottest cycle and see if that would unblock it, and it did. That was my solution. So I was really happy that simply running the dishwasher fixed this issue. It literally, that's all it did. I had no issue with the faucet. There's no apparent blockage. So here are the 3 easy steps that I would recommend doing before you go start disassembling everything. The cold water back pressure thing, just slowly turn on that cold water, undo the faucet handle and look for the assembly in there if there's any apparent blockage. Number 3, run a dishwasher on the longest and hottest cycle, and that's what worked for me. The 4th is just simply go and disassemble the water line and the valve and see if there's a problem there. Hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching, and take care.